Ipinapakilala ng Urban Sphere mula sa K2N Mobility Private Limited ang kanilang electric vehicles na isang sustainable transportation solutions sa India. Naghahanda sila para i-localize sa Philippine market ang kanilang 6-meter electric bus at electric jeepney na design for local use. Sinimulan nilang ipakilala sa bansa na mag-participate sila sa isang Auto Parts and Vehicles Expo sa World Trade Center sa Pasay nitong June 5 hanggang June 7. Kilala ang Urban Sphere pagdating sa komprehensibong solusyon gaya ng price captively, advanced tracking features, training sa mga operators at after-sales support.
So the vision of the company is, in the 21st century, we want to lead the roadway, or we want to lay the pathway towards low carbon emissions, because as we have seen, the jeepney market in Philippines, the jeepneys are on an average between 30 years to 60 years old, because these jeepney engines were manufactured during the World War II era. So the time has come where Philippines is a part of COP28, where we reduce the emissions from the public transportation. So it's time for us to introduce electric jeepneys, helping the sustainable and ESG plans for the Philippines and the Philippine citizens to have a breath of air, because there is a lot of pollution. So you control pollution, you have better health, you have better aspects of living your life, so you can enjoy the life in a better manner. So that's the vision of the company. When it comes to the mission, so the mission is every country is moving forward towards sustainable transportation, not only in terms of low carbon emission, but also in the cost of transportation. There is rise in gasoline prices globally, so that is increasing the cost of public transport, and that has also led to people purchasing of their own personal mobility. So basically the production of gasoline has gone, I would say, 50% higher in the last decade. So that consumption can be lowered if you offer a sustainable, affordable public transportation where everyone can save a lot of their earnings to enjoy their life, not just pay for their transportation.
They are our associates, right? We work together and provide not only the bus but also the very robust chargers which can charge fast if you have a power. If we have a low power for AC, we can also charge using AC charger. And if you have a DC, we can charge with a DC charge. You can charge cars, it can charge other buses, it can charge trucks.
Pakaganda kasi lalong-lalo ngayon sa panahon ngayon, kasi ang diesel, gasolina tumataas, no? Bumababa man pero mas malaki ang pataas kaysa pababa. So samantala itong ating produkto ng India is the chargeable lang siya. Matagal siyang maubos ang kanyang pag-charge. So, maabot siya ng halimbawa 135 kilometers, 200 kilometers bago mo siya i-charge. So i-compare mo doon sa mga diesel, so napakalaking advantage dito, di ba, sa chargeable. Alam mo yan ang plano ng ating gobyerno ngayon, na ang magiging sasakyan natin ngayon is electronics. Kasi lalo-lalo ngayon yung ating daan puno ng mga usok. So yan ang gusto ng ating LGU, na mag-provide tayo ng mga electronics vehicles.
Basta properly documented yung lahat ng aming kailangan ng proper documents, sasagot namin. So definitely, ang importation yan, smooth flow na.
May mga unit sa mga ito gaya ng e-trike na pang-pasahero at pang-cargo. May mga e-motorcycle din. Ang South Post at Newsroom Pilipinas ay mag-update kung saan pwedeng makita at masubukan ng mga electric vehicles na ito. Robert Maico nagbabalita para sa Newsroom Pilipinas, dahil Team South Post, tatak South Post.